pussy so fucking hard, boy. Got me like,
Yeah,
check out
it's doing lifestyle. It's doing lifestyle. I got a box too, got an ace on it. Got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy too with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30, man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. He was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notifications, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button. Hit that button, hit that button.
this wire goes in there. What's up with the YouTube, man? What's up, guys, man? Y'all hear my voice, man. All right, so I decided to come out here today. I was just, y'all know how y'all be working on something. You never get satisfied. It's like something always missing, but it's like you can't give up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out here working on the box today. So I was just like, man, I'm just gonna clean my fuel injectors, right? So I was like, I'm gonna clean my fuel injectors. Then I called O'Reilly. They said they had some. They said they had some for a good price. Boom. Went up there. They was like, we don't have them. We gotta order them, or we might not have them. Let me see. All that. But anyway, turns out they didn't have them. Then they had to get a request for them. So I was like, man, let me just come home. Let me just clean my fuel injector just to see if I clean it, will it do better? Then I would know it was the fuel injectors. And then I can later order some once I do some other stuff. So I took one side off. I took this side off already. I took them out. I done clunked them. Some guys on YouTube had them in a can. Then they had some things at the end of them where you can spray and hook them to a battery. So I tried that at first with some wire. But it's only me out here, and I ain't got the equipment to actually do all that stuff. So I just sprayed them. And I had this flashlight right here and looked down in them. I did see a little gunk stuff. And they, like at the rails and stuff, once I turned them upside down, when fuel started running out of it, I did see a little dirt and stuff like that. So it was like a little nasty fuel. So I said, let me just spray the shit out of them. So at the end of the day, it runs, but I know what it's doing. So maybe if I clean them a little bit, then I can kind of see the difference. So I got that side did. There was like 3 of them that was kind of dirty. So I took the other side off. So I'm about to clean these. And then I had noticed, I was just like, damn, that could be a couple of reasons, but you see up in here where the gunk and stuff at. Okay, let me start with this one. Y'all pay attention to this one. See how this one is? I know y'all got my phone doing justice. See how that one is? Y'all see how this one is, but then y'all see how this one is. See what I'm saying? So she's looked like she just kind of clogged up. But we're about to just pull some of this gas out. Like I said, we're gonna take these things off and we're gonna just clean them with this car cleaner. Started by the air intake cleaner. That's what they had on YouTube recommended. So I'm gonna take them off a piece and I'm just gonna spray the shit out of them like I did these over here. And hopefully that will be, at least it'll run better. Hopefully it'll run better. Also, one that got some wires too. I did get some wires. And I got those because they said change the wires. And even though the wires are new, I feel like, you know, at the first time I had problems with the with something, and probably, you know, that time again, probably done burnt them out or whatever I did to them. So we just gonna change the wires, man. Also, I'm gonna switch a coil pack around too. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to probably switch them two around, the first two. So like I said, man, we got this side off. So I just gotta make sure I put everything back how I take it off. What I be doing, I be taking a picture of some stuff too. So I always help out, you know what I'm saying? So guys, we're gonna get back with y'all, man. Bro, I don't know if y'all, bro, look at this. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if I can point y'all. Hold on, let me see if I can hold this camera with this flashlight, y'all. Let me see something real quick. I'm gonna show y'all something. Y'all bear with me. We're gonna let it rest right there. Okay. Now, y'all look. Let me get a little closer. Y'all bear with me, hold on. Just let the camera focus in on it. Now y'all see all that gunk down there? That's a lot of gunk. I know y'all can't see that good, but it's a lot of fucking gunk. There we go, hold on. There we go. Y'all see all that? All that shit clogged in there. And look at that. See what I'm saying? So that could be my fucking problem the whole damn time. Let me get another one and see. Let's see. She look gunked up too. Check this one out too. I don't think she better than the other one, but she still. Let's see. Y'all probably can't see this one either, but it's all good. It's all good, but y'all see it. So yeah, guys, man, like I said, we're gonna go and clean this thing. We'll get back with y'all. Just want to show y'all that real quick, man. Put this phone back on the charger. Now she feel like she do got power now. It's like a immediate sponge when I hit on the throttle. Damn. Bro. She got immediately response. I think it was some damn fuel injectors. Damn. God. Yeah, I think it was definitely fuel injection. So guys, y'all know what that means. I told y'all, if I feel like it's running better, she even sound better. If I feel like it's gonna run better, then I'm definitely gonna do that. All right, guys, so we're gonna take her for a spin. Matter of fact, I'm taking the motherfucking plugs back. Get my damn money back. Shit, that's $60, boy. Need that. Well, I went to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, 60, Advance. Y'all can tell I've been everywhere across the place. But we're gonna definitely take these spark plugs back. Now that I know it's a fuel injectors was clogged up, which they were clogged, we're gonna go take these spark plugs back. So that's what we're gonna do. Man, look. Sometimes, guys, y'all gotta excuse me, man. I'm trying to make sure ain't none on my nose. Gotta do it straight raw. Sometimes, man, you just gotta figure some shit out. Bro, she even sound better too. She got immediately response. Bro, y'all can even tell she sound better. Bruh, I done did all of this shit and found out the fucking problem. I'm so satisfied. I gotta, man, look, I don't even know what to say, man. I can just barely tap on it. She going. Man, shit, I don't even know, man. Goddamn, I don't even know. I'm finna change them gears out there. I'm leave these gears on everything. I'm satisfied. Now, we finna take these spark plugs back, man. So y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. But it's so fucking hard, boy. Got me like, y'all, this motherfucker's pushing. Man, I ain't finna change these gears out. God damn, dog. This motherfucker pushing, man. Like, real talk. Promise y'all, I am not capping, man. Bro, I am not capping, dog. I don't know if I want to change the gears no more. Bro, she responded. I'm talking about she ride. Like, she literally, like, hold on. Let me see if I can get a patty call, man. This motherfucker pushing, y'all. I ain't even trying to count. Bro, I literally, I'm excited, man. God damn, finally. Man, it's man, it could be the simplest thing, dog. Like, real talk, but I'm just gonna go ahead and order me some new ones. Now I know how to do them. I'm just gonna order me some new ones. Leave it as that. Bro, it be the simplest thing, I'm telling y'all. I'm excited. I ain't gonna care. I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited. Bro, I just hit on this motherfucker. I'm talking about, man, power. Yes, sir, man. I got 373s in it right now, so we gonna, I don't know if I wanna go 457, 456, whatever it is. I don't know yet, man. I might not have to, you know what I'm saying? But he doing what it do. Plus I can ride with him, so I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do it. So what I'm doing now is I'm finna go and call my dad, tell him I'm good now. And I'm probably finna take it over to my dad's house just so he can look at it. You know, I don't know, we finna see. And might take him in the block. Yeah, I might do that. Take my dad in the block, man, get his reaction a little bit. So yeah, we probably gonna do that. All right, man, so y'all stay tuned. I just want to show y'all that, man, and let y'all know if y'all going through the same issue, man, check those fuel injectors, man. Clean them fuel injectors or replace them. They so damn high, but it's all good. I supposedly had got them clean, but maybe it was just the gunk shit to kind of build back up. I don't know, but she open on up, man. So like I said, my next thing is gonna do the high performance coils, and then I'm just gonna go on and do fuel injectors. So y'all stay tuned.
We don't trust nobody, we don't trust nobody, we don't trust. That's why I be around all my niggas. We don't trust nobody but trick. Yeah, I be tired of niggas straight sick on me, just like a dog straight sick on. Nigga, we come straight from the top. We stress me, but nigga like come out. Whatever you doing, nigga, you better stop. That nigga be snitching on the side. That nigga be grinding solo. Oh no,
Hey, real quick, man, I want to see this bitch spin out. Oh, yeah. I had to do it one time. I had to do it one time. I just wanted to see, man. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the video. Dropping soon. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Let's go. Box Chevy on 30s. Hey, I don't care what nobody say, but these, hey, this 5'3", toting this motherfucking 30s, bro. Like it ain't nothing. I'm talking about 5'3" is toting these 30s like it ain't nothing. Yes, sir. Y'all know I had to jump in the box today, man. We got a lot of upgrades we are doing. We gotta get done to the box, man, you know. There's a lot of little upgrades though, man. It's that time, you know. Just stuff we have to do, but hey, we figure out some things, and now it's time to play. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get it.